In this tutorial, we will learn about the voting feature of Contribute Cloud. To open a voting activity, you need to navigate to the Voting Activities from the top menu where you will find your voting folders. Click through into the voting folders and you will find your activities. You can see the voting ID at the top of the screen. Click on the Google Classroom icon to share that through Google Classroom, or a student can manually join a session with the ID from the Join page at www.contribute.cloud. When you click Start on a voting activity, you have the option to have a self-paced activity, or you have a teacher-driven activity. It is up to you. By clicking on the Reporting and Results button, you can see how your students have done with the activity in real time. Once the students have completed the activity, you can download the results into tabular form for Excel or Google Sheets, and you can share the results with the students too. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial.